got stuck in ISLPR 3 plus in writing specifically? So here this video is for you guys. So here in this video, I am going to tell you why you get stuck in 3 plus, and don't worry, you are not alone here, right? So hi guys, I am Himzi. I am the ISLPR coordinator from EnglishWise. So let's get to know, what do you mean by 3 plus? Why are they giving 3 plus or any plus scores if that matters? For example, you might have read your results with 2 plus, 3 plus. So what's that, right? So please let us understand this with an example. So for example, let us say you have opened a door to level 4, but you cannot keep it open all the time. That's where you get 3 plus. So 3 plus is that you sometimes are writing according to level 4, but sometimes you are back at 3 or 3 plus. So plus means that you are not at all consistent. So you need to maintain the consistency in your writing. It should not be like you are using good vocabulary words in certain sentences, or you are like using grammatically correct sentences in one of the tasks and you are not maintaining the same in the other task. That is where you will get 3 plus. So let us understand how to reach the magic number 4. So okay, number one thing, there are various reasons why you get 3 plus. Number one from those reasons is inconsistency in grammar, in punctuation, in any of the repetitive mistakes. Okay, so when you are making repeatedly, certain mistakes, then you are not going to get scores. You will not be reaching to level 4. Okay, next on the list, number 2 is vocabulary. So somewhere if you are using advanced vocabulary and in certain sentences you are as casual as you are writing to a friend, so you are not maintaining consistency over there as well. What will be the result? You won't get 4, you will be at 3 plus. So next on the list is, I would say, task type struggle. As in, you understood the task, but then certain sentences are out of the context. Maybe they haven't asked you about that, but you are just trying to over exaggerate or over explain that. Please don't do that. Now next on the list is structure. So you are maintaining formal structure somewhere. You are basically too formal in certain sentences. On the contrary, you are too casual in certain sentences. Here also, what plays the role? Consistency. So you are not at all consistent in even maintaining the structure of the sentences. Sometimes paragraphs are there, body paragraphs are well made, but flow is not certain. As a reader, if I am an examiner, I am not understanding the flow, what you are trying to say from the starting till the end, I won't give you 4 at any cost. I'll again put you on 3 plus, right? Last on the list is tone. So your tone should not be too formal, it should not be too casual, as I explained earlier as well. So try to maintain a normal pace, try to maintain a normal tone. You are not actually using please, kindly, certain kind of words. You are not using only the verbs that are going to be used in formal tone. We have to maintain professional tone. I have explained this professional tone in my previous videos. So please watch those videos, you'll get an idea what I'm trying to say. Last on the list is, how would you be reaching to the magic number 4? So the best part is to get yourself evaluated. Sometimes we are just reading, internet essays, internet tasks. So what is happening? As a result, I am not literally getting what is my natural tone and where I am making mistake. So who's going to help you? Your mentor is going to help you. Right? So you should be having, so no ChatGPT's evaluation, no Grammarly evaluation, that because they are limited to certain contexts. ChatGPT might check your grammar and everything, same as in the case of Grammarly. But what about the context? So that only a trained professional can guide you. Right? Now, the major mistake I would say students do is when they are practicing, they are just practicing normal essay writing or maybe letter writing. No, there are various tasks that you should practice if you are wanting to have 4 in your writing or 4 plus in your writing. That could be memorandum writing, that could be notice writing, then it could be email writing. There are many other tasks that can be done. So do not get worried. Don't be upset if you are like stuck at 3 plus. Right time is to understand where am I going wrong, and only a mentor can guide you. So if you guys want to book any free assessment with us, get yourself assessed and then get to know, okay, why are you getting stuck? We will be helping you. Just comment your number and name below. We will be there helping you guys. Bye bye. Take care.